will do my best to ensure that Gungun addresses Damini as mom.
Mohan, I wasn't insulting her. I mean, because of Gungun, there was some confusion, that's all.
Is the confusion clear now? Then apologize.
Gungun's custody case was only started because it would pressure Mohan into marrying me, Mom. Now wait and see. Mom, once I marry Mohan, I will never let him win this case.
Please come here. Sister Damini wants to tell you something.
This is Ashish Shukla from the district court. I am here to meet your daughter Gungun.
I am Mohan and she is Gungun.
She's Gungun.
Yeah.
Hi Gungun, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, what happened? Why are you scared? I'm your friend. Gungun, I have just come to observe how you live in this house. Don't be scared, dear. Speak up. You don't need to be scared of anyone. Okay, Gungun?
When they come for the haldi ceremony tomorrow, you just have to act as if you are very happy here.
You have to address Damini as mom.
If you want to stay in this house, then get used to calling me Mom. Otherwise, pack your bags and get ready to leave.
Say something, dear. Tell the truth.
Well, how do I feel in this house? Oh my gosh, like a princess. No one has a family like ours. She's my grandma. She's the world's best grandma. Nobody makes better pudding than her. She makes pudding for me every Sunday. This is Uncle Rahul. He cares a lot about me. And he brings new gadgets for me. This watch is also a gift from him. And this is Uncle Ajit.
Hello.
He's the funniest guy in the world. He drops me off at the school every day. And he picks me up as well. He gets me any toy I request. Because who else will do that for me if not him? This is my Aunt Ketki. She's my first friend in the house. She takes me for shopping. She brings beautiful dresses for me. And sometimes she lets me wear her lipstick too. And this is my second grandma. Just a while ago, she was dancing to the song Kala Chashma. When she's at home, she keeps everyone entertained.
Is she complimenting me or?
And this is my grandpa.
Hello.
See how cute he is? He doesn't speak much, but he tells me so many stories. And you may know him already. My partner.
What has got into her today? She's acting so well. Wow.
Sometimes he gets a little bit angry, but in an instant it bursts like a bubble. Whenever I face a problem, then my partner becomes Superman. And then he beats the problem and saves me.
That's a joke.
So, Gungun, does that mean that you are happy here?
Yes, I am happy. But I am extra happy today. Because it's my mom and dad's haldi ceremony today. Thank you, Lord Krishna. You answered my prayers. Finally, I have my mom.
I think Gungun is going above and beyond here.
Come on, let's begin the function. Come on.
Of course.
Yes, we can hardly wait.
Mom, why are you standing there? Come here. Come on, Mom. Hurry up, Mom.
Well done, Gungun. The daughter has accomplished what her mother could not.
I love her very, very much.
Radha, these days kids estrange themselves from their birth parents. But you accepted someone's child and made her your own. Honestly, Gungun loves you deeply, Radha. You have changed the definition of being a stepmother.
Radha isn't Gungun's
Damini.
mother.
There was a call from the office. They need some files urgently. Can you come with me, please? It's really urgent. Please come with me.
Mohan, what's
Damini,
going
speak
on?
softly, please.
Speak softly. Gungun addressed Radha, not me, as mom in front of everyone. Should I speak softly? Mohan, if this carries on, in future she will tell you to get married to Radha, not me.
Damini, I have no idea why Gungun did this. In fact, we went to her to ask her to call you mother.
But didn't you hear what she said? She lied, Mohan. But I will be so honest. I will go to that lady at once and tell her the truth. I am Gungun's mother and not Radha.
Have you lost your mind? We can't tell the truth in the presence of that lady. We can't do anything. So let things continue the way they are, Damini, please.
Let things continue? What do you mean by that, Mohan? Are you saying you also want this?
What are you trying to say, Damini?
I am saying that when Gungun publicly called Radha her mother today, it seemed as if you didn't have any problem with it. It's as if you don't think there is anything wrong with it. The rituals you are performing with Radha, is it possible that you are pleased about all this, Mohan? Gungun has accepted Radha as her mother. But do you accept Radha as your wife too? Listen to me, Mohan. I know Gungun loves Radha a lot. But do you also love Radha too?
Mohan doesn't love me, Gungun.
But you love him, right?
Gungun, you don't get it. What you did today is wrong on many levels.
It's not wrong. It's totally right.
I didn't get what I had expected, and what is happening is something I never imagined.
You are not only accusing me, but also accusing Radha. Damini, I haven't forgotten that I promised you. I will only marry you if I do. I will marry you, and I don't need Gungun's consent. But you must not forget why I am getting married. Because I want my daughter to have a mother. Today, if my daughter is not with me, then please remember I won't need to get her a mother.
I'm sorry, Mohan. I didn't want to worry you at all. Mohan, I love you. I really love you. You know that, right? There has been only one purpose in my life. To marry you only, to be with you, Mohan. and the rituals that bring a couple closer to each other before the wedding are being performed by you and Radha instead of me. How can I bear to see that? What should I do, Mohan? I just don't know what to do.
Okay, let me tell you what to do.
It's been so long. Where is Mohan?
It seems Mohan cares more about his work than his family and his daughter.
What are you saying? If Gungun calls once, Mohan stops his work and comes at once.
Of course.
What are you talking about, huh? As far as I know Mohan, he doesn't even remember with which color we have painted the office walls. I wonder when last he went to the office. He doesn't even know.
But how can he know the wall color, Rahul? Ever since the lockdown, he has been working from home. Mohan has been working from home ever since.
I know these rituals are difficult for you to watch, right? So I guess you should stay here. You don't need to come out. If you don't come out, I won't even force you to come out. Yeah, that would be best.
Mohan, Gungun's game is over now. You sabotaged my wedding ritual. Now wait and see what I do to prepare for your funeral. Hello? I have an urgent job. I don't have time for that. This has to be done today.
My parents are made for each other. Their names together sound so awesome. Radha and Mohan. Just like Lord Krishna and Goddess Radha.
I'm sorry. I need to take this call. It's urgent. I'll be back.
Sure, no problem.
Radha, what is this drama? Come on, get up.
Rahul, don't misbehave.
Am I misbehaving?
Lower your voice, Rahul.
I admit Gungun is a child. She's naive and so she said something. But Radha, she's just sitting there quietly. Wait, let me get her out of that chair. I will teach her a lesson.
What are you doing?
I won't spare her.
I'm
Mohan?
sorry. It was an urgent call.
that's
I'm so
okay.
sorry.
Hey. I know you want to apply the turmeric paste, yeah? You are the youngest. You can't go first. Come on. I told you. Be respectful. Come on, let's start the event.
Yay!
Gungun went too far today. This was all of so sudden that I am surprised too. Radha, you're my friend, right? Can I rely on you for support?
Mohan, you still don't get it. Radha won't be your support only for today or tomorrow. She will support you for life.
I must have done something good in my life. That's why Lord sent you here. What you are doing for our family right now is something I will never forget.
You? I met all the family members in this house. Who are you?
She is Aunt Damini. A distant relative.
We are not that distant also. This pumpkin, I mean Kadambari. She's my younger sister. And this Damini, she's my daughter. She's Kadambari's niece.
And she works for Mohan's company.
Gungun, don't make such a big mistake that I can't forgive you.
Anyways, shall we begin the ritual?
Yes.
Stop this nonsense! Radha isn't Mohan's future wife or Gungun's mother. I am Mohan's fiancé. We are going to get married and this girl has snatched my place.
Damini!
Damini!
Grind it, Radha. Make the turmeric paste with your tears instead of water. Only then will be the turmeric enhance my complexion.
What happened? Apply the turmeric.
I'm sorry, Mohan. You saved her, otherwise we would have lost Gungun today. It doesn't matter whom she addresses as mother. But she should be here with us, Mohan.
Hello, distant relative. There is no need to get so close. There are other people in the queue, so come aside.
Gungun, aren't you troubling Damini too much? Stop it now.
Aren't you acting too well?
Perhaps I'm not acting, Mohan. I'm really very happy.
I don't believe in the old tradition, but since my mom is of my choice, I have to do it. Am I right, Mohan?
Gungun, are you blessing your dad and new mom by applying turmeric?
Don't you know what my name is? Gungun Trivedi, daughter of Mohan and Tulsi Trivedi. No one can force me to do anything. Now Mohan and Radha's wedding has been confirmed. What will the distant relative do now?
Not now. The right time for this will also come.
Fly as high as you want, Gungun. You will shut up soon and come down to earth. Just wait and watch.
The two of you haven't put turmeric paste on each other. Come on, put it. Put turmeric paste on each other. Uncle, click a nice photo.
Yes, Gungun. Who other than me will click photos?
Come on.
Mohan, I always believed that moon and stars lit the sky. They are never in your destiny. I always loved you, but I never yearned for your love. I don't know why Lord Krishna is being so kind. I have got a chance to put turmeric paste on you. Thank you, Lord Krishna.
I would give away my Mohan and Gungun to someone else to take my place. Radha, Mohan can't get a better wife than you. And Gungun can't get a better mother than you. Even I want to put the turmeric paste on you on this occasion.
this ghost also came to put turmeric on that Radha. This Tulsi, since when did she become Radha's friend?
You have to promise me that you will never face my family and me. Neither you will show us your face nor make us hear your voice. My family shouldn't be harmed because of you. You will never be able to harm them.
Mohan, I can't even be a part of your happiness. I am not even destined to touch you. What do I do now?
Tulsi, no matter how much turmeric paste you put, I will not let Radha unite with Mohan. Wait for some time. Then you will get to know how much your daughter has wronged you.
Hey, silly girl. Feeling dizzy?
No, Mohan. No, Mohan, what are you saying? You talk rubbish.
Why are you falling?
Mohan, I felt someone pushed me towards you.
Oh gosh, Dad can't do without Mom at all. So romantic.
Madam, the job will be done. Just wait for some time, things will reach at your place. And you manage how to take them inside the house.
You just do your work. I know what I have to do.
Gungun, I must say, your mom and dad are perfect. Your dad takes great care of you and your mom loves you a lot, Gungun. You are so lucky. Well, my job here is done. So, I'll take your leave.
Hey, listen, Aunt. How can you leave like this? Put turmeric paste on my mom and dad. Here is my mom and dad's wedding card. Do attend the wedding.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'll attend it for sure.
You made Radha sit in my place during the haldi ceremony. Now you want to replace me with her at the wedding too. I won't let that happen, Gungun. I am your stepmom, but I will teach you a lesson. There is a punishment for every mistake. You will be punished for what you did today. Death.
The reason I came here was to check whether Gungun is happy or not, and I have checked it. Don't worry, Mr. Mohan. I think the court will decide in your favor. And my report will also be in your favor. I will take your leave.
Thank you.
And I want to congratulate you and Radha for your marriage. Thank you so much.
And I'll walk you to the door.
Okay. Goodbye.
Okay.
Thank you.
What I did today was not a joke. I was serious. I have told you I hate Damini. She doesn't make me feel that she's my mother. I don't want a mother like her. I want a mother like her.
This little brat has changed the game. If Mohan listens to her, then we will be distant relatives forever.
Radha, tell Mohan that you love him. You want to marry him. When you have been raised to be so much greedy, you know a person will often ask for more than they deserve. And you are here to get exactly the same thing.
Listen, Damini, I have told you this earlier also many times. That out of excitement, don't lose your senses.
That Radha has made you blind with her sweet talks and her pretense. Please open your eyes and try to see what's happening in the family.